Class is in session. Today we take your whole funding blueprint, the workbook, the templates, the prompts, and we give it a real home on GitHub step by step. No code experience needed.
By the end of this video, you'll have a repository, clean numbered folders, your workbook uploaded, a co-writer set up the right way, and a free live website. Let's work.
Part 1, the home base. Go to github.com and create your free account. Already got one, just sign in.
Now watch the clicks. Top right corner, hit the plus icon, then New Repository. Name it funding-blueprint. All lowercase, no spaces. That keeps the web address clean. Add a one-line description. Grant and loan proposal workbook, templates, and prompts. Keep visibility private while you're drafting. Check initialize with a README, then hit Create Repository.
That README file is your front door. Write 3 lines in it, what this project is, who it's for, and what's inside each folder. Anyone who lands on the repo knows exactly where they are.
Part 2, the infrastructure. Before you upload a single file, plan the folders. This is the difference between a filing cabinet and a junk drawer.
Number them: 01 prompts, 02 templates, 03 workbook, 04 source drafts, 05 outputs. The numbers keep them in reading order in GitHub's file browser, always.
Templates never mix with drafts. Finished PDFs never hide inside source files. Every file has one address, and you can rename any of it later to match how you think. One safety rule before anything goes up: no social security numbers, no bank statements, no passwords. A funding workbook is fine. Personal financial documents stay off the repo, and keep it private until it's clean.
Part 3, getting your files up. 2 roads. Road 1 needs 0 software. Road 2 is for whoever's comfortable in a terminal. Pick your lane, same destination.
Road 1, browser only. Open your repo, hit Add File, then Upload Files. Now drag your PDFs and docs straight into the browser window. That's it. That's the upload. Need a folder that doesn't exist yet? Choose Create New File and type the folder name with a slash, like 03 workbook /. GitHub builds the folder for you on the spot.
Then scroll down and type a short commit message, something honest like add workbook draft. Hit commit changes. A commit is just a save with a receipt. Date, time, what changed, who changed it. Road 2, the terminal. Git clone your repository down to your computer, copy your folders and files in. Then 3 commands: git add, git commit with a message, git push. Refresh the page, your files are live.
Part 4, co-work. Writing with a partner without stepping on each other's pages. This is where GitHub beats emailing drafts back and forth forever.
Go to your repo settings, then collaborators, then add people. Type their GitHub username or email. They accept the invite, and now they can work on the project with you.
But don't both edit the main files at the same time. For every new chapter or big edit, make a branch. Git checkout-b, add chapter 13. A branch is a safe copy. The main version stays untouched.
When the chapter's ready, push the branch and open a pull request. That's a review step. Your partner reads the change, comments on it, and only then does it merge into the main version. Nobody overwrites nobody.
And run your to-do list right inside the repo. The Issues tab holds the tasks. Write chapter 13. Add the budget worksheet template. The Projects tab lays them on a board. To do, in progress, done, your whole workflow, one address.
Part 5, the flex. GitHub Pages can turn that exact same repository into a free live website. No hosting bill, no web developer.
Settings, then Pages. Choose the branch to publish, usually main. Hit save. Give it a few minutes and GitHub hands you a live URL. That's a real landing page for the Funding Blueprint brand. Think about what that means. When you're ready to share, you send one clean link, not 12 email attachments. One link with the whole project organized behind it.
Recap: screenshot this, account and repo. Numbered folders 01 through 05, safety check before upload, browser drag and drop or git push, collaborators, branches, pull requests, issues and projects for tasks, and pages for the free live site.
Your work is now versioned, backed up, organized, and shareable. That's not just storage, that's infrastructure, that's ownership.
Homework this week: run these 5 parts on your own project. Book, business plan, research, whatever you're building. Then drop your repo in the class chat so we can see it.
Quantum Melanin Media, class dismissed. Ashe.